So when I was at the New York Public Library, I was there for 5 years, and we were one of the original Google Book partners. So I was responsible for that project at the New York Public Library. We did about 1 million books with Google. So I got my feet wet in terms of mass digitization projects at the New York Public Library. Came here to the National Archives, and we have done a fair amount of digitization work with some commercial partners, which is a fairly common way for these large research institutions to get their content digitized. Our primary focus, or our primary partners, have been Ancestry.com, Family Search, those commercial partners who focus on the genealogy community, since that's one of our biggest. Genealogists and veterans are our two biggest user groups. So those commercial partnerships have been very important for us to get a fair amount of content digitized. We have done some on our own with our own resources. The National Archives will never have the resources necessary to do that 12. I'm the one who put a stake in the ground around the 12 billion pages. And it's based on my own experience and just my own reading of the tea leaves. This generation of young users, if it's not online, it doesn't exist. So instead of fighting that, let's make it happen. So let's be creative about ways to make that happen. So commercial partnerships is certainly something that I will continue to push on and explore. Finding the resources, public-private partnerships to do digitization projects, another source. User-contributed content. We have a huge number of people who come in to the archives with their own scanners and leave with scanned content. So we're now in the process of creating opportunities for those researchers to share their scans with us as a way of building up this corpus of electronic information. And there's something on the horizon called the Digital Public Library of America, which is an initiative, public-private initiative, to create a portal to all the digitized content in the country. And it will come with resources for digitization projects. So there's another opportunity.